Hello miners, and welcome to another video. In this video, I am introducing you the best mobile mining app of 2024, which is Athene Network. To join Athene, download the app from the App Store or Play Store by searching Athene Network. Install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Continue the options. And then, you will find sign-up options. You can choose Google account, Facebook, or direct sign-up options. The most convenient is to join through a Google account. Select the Google account, which you can retrieve, or you have backup. Hold for a moment. In the next window, you must enter a referral code. You can write here 842f183d7a. I repeat, 842f183d7a. Now, you have successfully created an account on the Athene Network. This is the attendance reward here. If you claim it daily, it will increase by 5 coins each day. To start mining, click this icon. On your first visit, you will see Start Mining. Click it to start your mining session. And after your first session, you will see the Claim button to receive your gems instead of Start Mining. This is your mining rate. And this is the booster coefficient, which can be increased by inviting friends and completing other quests. In the Settings section, you can update your information, like name or phone number, etc. In the KYC section, you can do your KYC if you have one referral. Later, the Athene Network will introduce a premium KYC, which will be announced soon. This is your wallet, where you can check your balance. And this is the quest section, where you can check how many achievements you have done. For example, KYC, or your referrals KYC, etc. This is your referral section, where you can see who has joined your network and who joined your referrals. Rest of the things you will know when you start using this application. Thanks for watching the video, hope you liked it.